Welcome to one of India's largest pioneering centers, where empowering individuals with disabilities is a way of life. From a small 200 square feet room on Kabir Road in 1985 to a 20,000 square feet space on Iqbalpur Lane in 2008, and finally to our state-of-the-art 105,000 square feet Pailan facility in 2025. Welcome to Mahavir Seva Sadan, a beacon of hope for individuals with disabilities across India. Our mission is to empower every person with a disability to live a life of dignity and independence. We provide cutting-edge artificial limbs, including legs, hands, calipers, and customized shoes, completely free of cost. Our team of expert doctors, prosthetic engineers, and physiotherapists work tirelessly to ensure that each individual receives the best possible care. With both in-house and mobile services, we reach out to people with disabilities in rural and urban areas, bridging the gap in accessibility. Our workforce is a powerful example of empowerment in action. Many of our team members are individuals with disabilities, proving that given the opportunity, people can thrive and become leaders in their own right. To the cutting-edge technology of our Autobock equipment, every detail has been designed with their needs in mind. With 70,000 square feet of space, our main building is complemented by a 20,000 square feet multi-speciality medical center and a 15,000 square feet service building. Our multiple disorder care unit provides a holistic, patient-centric approach, delivering comprehensive services tailored to the unique needs of individuals living with multiple disorders. Physiotherapy, occupational therapy, hydrotherapy, sensory garden, speech therapy, sensory integration. Our special school is more than a place of learning. It's a community that celebrates diversity and promotes inclusivity. Here, children with special needs find their voice, develop their talents, and build lasting friendships. For those who call our facility home, we provide a warm and welcoming residential environment and nutritious meals served in our on-site canteen. Experience the future of healthcare at our state-of-the-art medical center, where world-class facilities and expert care come together to deliver exceptional patient outcomes. Within our artificial limb unit, we are transforming lives one prosthetic at a time. Our dedicated team works tirelessly to design, manufacture, and fit customized artificial limbs, helping individuals overcome physical limitations and unlock their full potential. A thorough assessment by our experienced medical team is the first step towards empowering individuals with the care and support they need to thrive. Our medical team conducts meticulous measurements, carefully capturing every detail to craft customized prosthetic solutions. With prosthetic leg in place, our patients take their first steps towards independence. Using parallel bars for support, they learn to walk again, rebuilding strength and confidence with each step. Our mission is to make this vision a reality and create a brighter, more inclusive future for all.